You gotta come sit over here.
Will you talk?
Yeah.
Smash. Hey, yeah. I'll take it. Why is she serving again?
Did she serve first?
Did we just get the point?
No, we lost it because it went out.
Wait. Why didn't we get the point?
It went out.
Oh,
She served it
my
out.
bad. My bad. I didn't know.
Then turn. Yeah.
Okay, Lauren.
Yeah.
Okay, now currently missing.
Lawrence, yep. Oh, nice
Lauren,
up.
go! Oh, good hustle. Okay, so you know what the number one thought is? Come on now.
Heads up.
Come on now.
Hello,
Hello,
you.
good to see you. All right, let's
Hey, how are you? No? Yeah. That was okay. And we're right beside each other?
I love it. It's perfect.
Let's, yes.
Let's get this back.
Nice spot, Sky.
Good job. Good job. Let's go. Let's keep track of
I'm
it.
having to hold this thing. I might have to do a better plan next time.
Yeah.
Because I was able to, like, fix it to where...
Nice, Lauren. Keep it up.
Yes. Yeah.
Do you have the score up? Should be like 4-2, 5-2. It's a swap, so I think it's 5-2.
Give me a sec.
I will watch the
4-3.
oh,
Hopefully, we would like this experience. We've never had him coach before.
I like Chris.
I do too.
We trained with him.
Oh, did you?
Mhm. I like him.
I like him a lot. He would be a good
He's
one
very
for her.
smart.
When she decides to go full time, he would be a good one.
He's so far away. Nice,
Go, Lauren.
Sky.
Nice step or stop. Come on, get away. Get away. Come on, get it, Lauren.
Oh,
Almost. Good try.
Okay, up one at a time. You got it, Ken.
Let's go, Sky. Let's go, Lauren. Push. Nice big serve.
oh, she moved
We'll
over.
have the courts
It's
open,
okay.
guys. Come on.
Come on, Kenzie. Nice set.
These guys are loud
Work
and
it.
energetic. We are not.
We're good. We're good. We are good.
We are down by one.
It's okay. We're good.
Okay, Ken, I see you.
Let's go, Sky. Let's go, Lauren. Get it back. It's interesting they're serving Lauren. There you
Nice
go,
swing.
Lauren.
I mean, 2 hours of straight volleyball last night with hardly any break. Like, she probably lost 10 pounds in sweating.
Oh, yeah.
So it's tied, right?
Good, good. Hey, girls, get this point. Let's go one at a time. Yes, we'll take it.
Oh, that was a good idea.
serve. Watch out, option.
Nice read,
These
Sky.
guys are big on the options.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, lucky ball.
Oh no, I'm smiling at you. Kelly! Hi, Kelly!
Get up, ball, get up. No.
Oh,
Okay, these
she didn't put her hands up. It's okay.
Let's get this back. Come on now. Let's go, ladies.
She hates that. She hates it.
Yeah.
So 13-11. 8-6.
Attachment or tripod.
Oh, 18-16?
Pardon me?
Or no, it's 8-6.
8-6 us.
Oh,
Too close.
I thought we had more points. Where's the coaches?
I can't.
The coaches sitting in the shade.
Oh yeah. Where?
Oh, there's a coach over there on the bench. That's EKU or EKU,
Let's
I
go.
think.
Let's go.
You got it.
Nice nice hustle. Over there on the bench, you see her?
Yeah. EKU.
I think so. Ooh,
Let's go,
nice
Sky. Let's go,
swing.
Lauren.
There it is, Sky. Nice
Nice.
spot.
There you go, Ski.
Just a little bit.
Yep. Oh. Yes, Lauren.
Hi.
Hi, babe. I didn't see you.
Let's go. Hey, you have a good luck charm.
Is that your hubby?
My hubby. Jen, you
Oh.
remember Landon?
Yes. Hi.
We are. Would you guys like a score report?
Sure.
You can move it.
You can move it over if you want to. That way we can chat.
Thank you so much.
Nice spot.
Yes, 12-8 maybe?
They just got that point.
I think it's
So would be.
Oh,
Nice.
go. 13. They seem to be. Let's move. There's one of them that just needs to be close up. We may be losing.
That chair. Kelly, we can put these coolers right here too. Or that
Making
right
room
there.
for Landy's chair.
Oh, okay.
No worries at all. Thanks, babe. right, we're all good. Ladies got El Primo chair.
Is this your chair? Or they put it up?
My chair.
Oh, it is? Okay. And I can move my wagon. If you
Yeah.
need to put anything in it too, we can. And that way they have somewhere to sit.
Look who's here.
Yeah.
Stay standing up, Lauren, if you can.
Still feel like we need to get a rhythm going here
Yeah.
defensively and some body control. We're a little bit tentative. So let's be aggressive. Let's drive these balls forward so we can get in a good system.
Oh, you're shopping for that when you're done.
Yeah.
Let me know what I owe you.
Oh, yes. I will do that.
It is
13.8.
Okay.
We're at tech.
Yeah.
Last year they had scoreboards.
I know.
So
All right, Egress.
You're doing
Say
great.
hi-ya.
Hey, Lauren, I want to hear you talk. Yeah, Chris don't play.
Huh?
Chris don't play.
He may now that he's got his hips replaced.
No, like play coaching.
Oh, no. He is. Like,
Did you hear him? He told me he's like, you just walking out there now. Let's pick it up a notch. Like he.
Randy. They would. I haven't tried.
Chris is great. Chris is really good.
You know, we've never had Chris coach before. He's like, let's go. Spirit serious.
So smart. Excuse me.
Oh. Chad, nice. Oh, ball.
It didn't.
Nice save.
Mm, it didn't interfere. Yeah, she was ready.
You see where
It didn't affect the play.
took the girls,
Did he really?
ran out of Venezuela.
Yes.
Wow. This guy, be smart.
Oh, that was close.
Smash.
Nice, Lauren.
Let's go, Lauren. Nice, sir. Oh, Ash. Nice serve. Oh, Stars and Stripes is here. Score's got the cross.
Oh. What's this? I'm curious if they made them replay that thing.
I do not know. Let's find out.
You like my slip back, Kelly?
Looks like we're 14-8. 16-9.
Oh, so we didn't.
Yeah.
So they gave it to us.
Yeah, I guess so. I think the refs made that call.
Yeah. Because it didn't interfere.
It didn't. I think that was their point, is it had already happened.
Yeah. And they saw it and just assumed
Nice
that.
serve.
17-8.
9.
What was I gonna say? Like my slick back that makes me 10 years older.
Yeah, look at you. With
I
your
look
slick
old.
back. I think it makes you look older.
My hair, I have a hair appointment. It's been over a year. Finally.
I think your hair looks good.
Nice, sir.
All right, let's see how Ash and Ava are doing.
I think they're doing great. Their neck
Score,
still
Buffy?
looks messed up.
Score?
18, 19, 9.
19-9, I think. 18-9.
God, what a swing from that girl.
Ava. And Ashley.
Nice spot.
Okay, 19-10. Let's go. Push 2.
So when y'all record, do y'all record the whole thing as a match and then stop it, or do y'all do each set?
I do each set.
Okay. So I might try to fix this. Watch option.
Watch out, she's got option.
Oh,
Oh, so close.
way to
Good
be
hustle,
there and
Sky.
read it, Sky. Be aggressive, Ashlyn.
Ava leaves on Thursday. Ava leaves on Thursday. Erskine. Oh, come on, smash. Yeah, there you go.
That's a great.
I think that was it. No, 2011.
Sky, there's a ball right here too. Oh, I think she's got one. Yeah, sorry. We gotta go find Lauren's ball. I do. Or Lauren. Nice,
Nice
Sky. Oh. She feels so bad with it.
Feels so bad with what?
Because she should have pushed her more.
It's okay.
That pass. She
That was
passed
good.
so well.